Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. Welcome to this week's Q&A. Almost time for the holidays, so before I start, let me just wish you all the best for the holiday season and in 2019. So what can we expect from the real estate market in 2019? Here's a couple of things I think that you should be prepared for, that you might want to watch out for. Number one, we know for sure interest rates are going to rise. So if you are thinking about buying, you probably want to do it a little bit sooner than later because we do expect a couple of more hikes over the next year. Number two is that this might be a good time to consider purchasing an investment property, especially in the secondary markets. In the Toronto market, prices are still relatively strong. They're not climbing as quickly as they were in the past. But in some of the slower markets outside of Toronto and even outside of the GTA, prices have dropped and things have stabilized. And so if you're thinking of buying an investment property this year, I would definitely consider doing that sooner than later as well. Not just for the fact that prices are stabilized, but also, of course, because of interest rates. There's lots of good opportunities in secondary markets, and I would be happy to discuss those with you anytime. Number three is we want to know that new housing starts are down. So that might be a good thing or a bad thing, depending on if you're looking for a new build, particularly when it comes to freehold homes and not condos. So just keep in mind that those housing starts are down, prices are down as well in the new housing developments. So if you're thinking about buying new property, maybe it's a good time right now. We don't know how long that trend will continue though. The fourth thing is prices will go up in the spring. They always do. So I would keep an eye out for, if you're in Toronto, maybe late February, early March is when things start to pick up. Sometimes that depends on the weather. But again, you know, your best opportunity for a good value, good price is probably January, early February. And finally, I just want to say that real estate is always a good investment. So I just want you to keep that in mind no matter what happens or where you buy. Please don't get hung up too much on what the market is doing right at this exact moment because it ebbs and it flows. And if you look statistically over time, you know you're going to do very well and it'll be the best investment you ever make. If you have any questions, as always, please reach out anytime and feel free to share or like and comment. And again, please have a wonderful holiday and I will see you shortly, particularly in 2019, and look forward to working with you then. Bye for now.